Thank you for choosing the Runyes Photogrammetry Camera G6. This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to use the product. These are the tools you'll need during operation. Insert the software USB drive into the computer. For first-time use, install the measurement system software on your computer. Open the USB drive, locate the installer, and start the installation. For first-time use, import the calibration file for the photogrammetry camera into the software. Connect the photogrammetry camera. Insert the software USB drive. Start importing. Open the mini quick release component. Use the hex wrench to remove the screws. Install it onto the tripod. Mount the other part onto the photogrammetry camera. Use the hex wrench to tighten the screws. Mount the camera onto the tripod. Place the device on the table. When using the photogrammetry camera for scanning, you may use the tripod or not, depending on personal preference. When the photogrammetry camera needs charging, use the charging cable to charge the device. No power connection is needed during scanning. Two sizes of scan bodies are available. When installing, align the scan body ridge with the scanning direction. Avoid overlap between scan bodies. Make sure the surface of the scan bodies is clean during scanning. Liquid or stains on the scan body may reduce measurement accuracy. Connect the photogrammetry camera to the computer. Long press to power on. Long press to power off. Short press to start or pause scanning. Launch the software. Enter measurement information in the software, including client and operator details. Start the measurement. Enter the number of scan bodies used. Start the measurement. Hold both handles during scanning. Scan in the order: center first, then sides. Check the software interface during scanning. Ensure each scan body is within the valid scanning range. Scan body patterns should appear in both left and right views. Adjust the scanning distance and angle according to the software prompts. Check if each scan body is fully scanned. If scan bodies are too close or blocked, use a batch scanning approach. Install all scan bodies and perform the first scan. Pause the scan after unblocked scan bodies are scanned. Remove completed scan bodies that are causing obstruction. Note, keep at least 2 scanned scan bodies in place. The remaining scan bodies will assist in the next scan. Click the scan button again to complete scanning the remaining scan bodies. Export the file after the scan is completed.